We will discuss the thing code wise. Okay. Hope you are able to see my screen.
Yeah, I am able to.
Okay. Now, if you check this is a code module one. Okay. So here means we have this enum. Okay. So enum in this enum we have this. It will contain a different state of agent, which is a possible state for agent. Okay. So idle, planning, executing, completed, failed. Means idle means just a state when means agent is in a waiting mode. It's not doing anything. Okay.
Okay.
And planning means when they are dividing the goal into a small part. Makes sense.
Mhm.
Let's say
Yes.
we can say whatever we need to do, first we plan and make a steps there. First, I will do this. After that, I will do that. Let's say we need to go to Delhi. Okay, from Mumbai to Delhi or Delhi to
Mhm.
Mumbai. Then we will plan what we need to do. Let's say we need to, based on a season, we need to plan. Hey, to due to this season, I require this type of clothes. Am I right? And after that, we need to plan what is the transport medium there. It's a by air, it's a by road. Am I right? And then after planning, we need to go for execution.
Correct.
And then after execution, there are either we will reach to the destination on time, or if something should be occur, some problem should be occur. Am I right? Which we can while execution this will happen. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So right now means to agent whatever we have, everything should be keep in agent mind. Makes sense. Everything should be available on agent mind so that agent can do the thing whatever he need to do or fulfill his objective. Makes sense.
Mhm.
For the which for means which objective we will set for that, uh, everything should be clear to agent. So how will be clear if it's stored somewhere?
Okay.
Not.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yes.
So for that, here you are able to see means in a means what is the task we gave to the agent that need to be defined. Make sense?
Yes.
And to complete that task, what are the steps you that you can say this agent need to be take care?
Okay. It's a kind of sequential steps, right? I mean, it will be stored in list.
Yes,
So, okay.
yes. So it's a step. Means it's a you can say because we are using list here in a program and it's a you can say it's a mutable. Means we can add the things. Am I right? On a fly.
On a fly. Right.
Am I right? So that's why means it's a initial it's a you can say this. So this is a memory. Initially, there is nothing in a memory.
Mhm.
So and current step index. First, we need to start from zero. First step. Am I right?
Right.
So in a programming, we can think it's a array or a
Mhm.
list, whatever. But it start from zero means we need to start from everything from scratch.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So and then we need to because we are right now we are tracking each and every step. So we
Mhm.
need to track a result in that manner only.
Okay.
Make sense or not?
First step result, second step result. Yes.
So that means rather than going starting from zero, why we not start where we failed in your real scenario as well.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say you are doing this graduation. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
So your BTech is a 4 year means duration is 4 year for BTech. Am I right?
Yes.
Let's say means in a fourth year or third year you will not get a means desired marks in your one of the subject. Assume
Mm-hmm.
makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
So for that you will not means give the exam of all the your subjects again. No,
No.
you will give
Only
a
that. Mm,
only particular subject where you need to improve your mark.
correct.
Same thing with the agent.
Mm-hmm.
Makes sense.
Yes.
Same thing with the agent. So wherever we will encounter that failure, that need to be fixed. So that need to be taken care. Apart from that, we are good.
Correct.
Makes sense.
Yes.
And the retry is also there. So that means uh, whatever marks we will subject where we need to improve the marks, we need to go for retry. And retry also means retry means when you going for retry,
Mm-hmm.
then you have something with you already.
Hmm.
You have experience that time.
Hmm.
Means I applied this thing and I will not prepare this part or of your curriculum stuff like that. Then I need to retry now in this manner so that I can fix that problem.
Correct.
Makes sense.
Yes.
That's why it's retry. We require to know what is last error, what is the mistake we did in last time.
Hmm.
Now it's clear. These two parts are steps and states and this.
Uh, One thing, where are we storing like if any step is failed? So, which how we are storing in results? Okay,
We will see.
we'll see. Okay, yeah,
We will see. This is a just means thing
got
like in a, we will see in a theory as well. But right now you are able to map means hey in you can analyze your exam thing. Okay,
it. Mm, yes.
because that time everything in your mind what mistake I did last time so that while I am going for improvement then I will
Mhm.
not done that mistake and I will check that mistake and work accordingly.
Correct. Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yes.
So now these 2 points are clear.
These 2 points are clear. Yes.
Then agent store. Okay, so agent like you have a store, am I right? Means we will normally use this word store, am I right?
Mm-hmm.
In house we have a store. In means the shopkeeper have a store, or this some Blinkit have their own store. What they will do, whatever means they want to sell. Am I
Mm,
right?
mm,
Whatever product they want to sell, they will kept everything there.
mm.
Makes sense.
Yes.
So whatever things required by agent, so it will kept in store.
Mm,
So it's a you can say collection of the things which is required by your uh, agent. Sorry,
mm.
makes sense.
Correct. Yeah.
With a default value.
Default value. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So right now we cover state, memory, and store.
Store.
Any question or concern?
No, right now, no.
Okay. Then we have a you can say means abstract agent event means whenever, let's say, we will say it will going for a this plan whatever plan we done means done for this agent is going to complete, he will start executing that. Am I right?
Hmm.
So while executing, he is whatever he doing, first step, second step. So it should be a, it's a event of that particular end means it's a sequence of things. Makes sense. So let's say one is and then next will start. Makes sense. It's a sequential one. Makes sense. So
Uh,
okay, yes, go ahead.
I mean, if some, I'm not able to relate with example.
Okay,
Our
okay. Okay, let's say to give your examination. Am I right?
hmm,
There are some steps to means get your result. Either you will pass or fail.
hmm,
First step, you need to prepare. You
okay.
need to decide what is the exam. Am I right?
Hmm,
After that, you need to prepare for that exam.
hmm,
And then after preparing, you need to apply for examination. Means I need to attempt this exam in this month or that month. Am I right?
yeah.
Then you need to go to a examination center on a given date and write your exam.
Hmm,
And after writing your exam, you will means you need to submit your sheet to your professor, whatever. Am I right?
all these steps are there. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. So for that, we are saying this. We have a abstract, you can say agent, okay,
Hmm.
and it will take as a input is your
String.
string, okay.
Hmm.
So here, based on that thing, we are creating a, you can say, some events. Start things are started. Makes sense. Like your examination, means you prepared, you selected. Now you need to start. Makes sense. Whatever you plan, like we earlier we take example of Delhi to Mumbai. Hello.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I'm able to hear. Yeah.
So that means if Delhi to Mumbai, then whatever plan you means keep in your mind on a paper, that you need to be start from somewhere, from let's say
Correct.
packing. So this is the
Hmm.
same thing.
Okay. So mini steps. Yeah. Got it. Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yes.
So and here we can say we are this passing this and agent. It's a, you can say, kind of our inheritance. We are inheriting. This is a parent class. This is our child class. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. So we
Yes.
are inheriting. Okay. And here we are passing this start. Here we are saying plan created and stuff like that. I mean, every subclass have their own requirement. Makes sense.
Hmm. Correct.
Here it will taking as a list, but common thing is same. Parents is a, this thing is common. Makes sense. Type is common. Apart from that, they have their own thing.
Okay. Got it. Yes.
Makes sense. Here we can say it's a responsible for start the event,
Mm-hmm.
and it's a means plan created event means it's a involved in a planning steps.
Running. So these are small classes, child classes of agent event. We can say like that, which will
Definitely.
have their own implementation.
Yes, you can say we are using means every event have their own purpose. Make sense or not?
Yes. Yes.
So you can think about it. That means every means. To complete a goal, we need to perform some event or task. Here we are calling those tasks is a event.
Okay.
Now
Yeah.
things are clear in your mind or
Things
not?
are getting clear. Yes. Yes.
Okay, that's the most important. So we can say this is responsible start. This is responsible for create a event,
Hmm.
created plan created event. Okay, and this is for step success event.
Okay. If our plan is successful. Okay.
Yes. So what is next? Okay, and if step failed event, if any step is failed, then
Okay.
then what we need to do, because here you are able to see error as well.
Okay.
Okay, if your event is done,
Hmm.
then we need to update this done. Means we are saying it's a type is done.
Yes. Yes.
If it's a failed, then its type is failed. If it need to be reset, then its type is reset. There is no requirement here. Makes sense.
Yes. Yes. And
Now
retry, will there be any event? Like if it is failed, then retry is also one event.
you can
Oh,
say fail event. Okay, fail. Retry is a reset only,
reset only. Okay.
because we are not saying it's a reset for fully or partially. We'll see in next step.
Next. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, but if you have any question or concern regarding this, why we are creating this parents class and why so many this child things are there. Basically, it's a programming, am I right? And we are doing this virtually. Make sense or not?
Yes.
And as per our this memory store and state and agent definition means wherever problem is occur, we need to identify and we need to go to fix that only.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we cover this memory, state,
States
store,
to
and
store.
event. Event.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we will this. Let's do this thing. Basic setups are ready. Now we will registry. We will register all these two things together
Okay. Okay.
so that we can do the thing. So here, where we have a one method called you can say search. Okay, search course. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
and it will you can say it will take this as a parameter. What is the query? Based on that, user want to you can say search your things, and your dictionary means because we are doing everything in a memory.
Ah.
Makes sense. We are doing everything in a memory.
Mm-hmm.
So right now means from a result we are based on a this query. Right now it's a hard coded, but this should be come from this query based on this, but it's a hard coded right now. Okay, no worries.
Okay.
For simplicity, we can say this is a do that, but we can parameterize this as well, because here you are able to say this is disabled. We're not using this. Am I right?
Yes. Yeah.
No worries, but based on a query, we will want to fetch a record from our given database, or right now it's some in memory only. So from given dictionary, we need to, based on a query, we need to grab a result. Okay.
Okay.
And then we have this send mail. Means here also we are doing this step by step.
Hmm.
Let's say scenario is this. First, you need to search. You can say our agent will search one course. Okay,
Okay.
and calculate the discount. After calculating the discount, it will send a mail to the client,
Client.
and client after that it will create a summary.
Okay.
So these are the things. Okay. So for each and every you can say main task, we have this you can say subtask. To complete that goal, we have this subtask. When one task is complete, then we are able to go ahead. Make sense?
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
So engine, dispatch plus reducer. So now we have the this you can say state, we have store, we have memory, we have, am I right? And your events are ready, and we have a you can say this registry is there, means what exactly task we need to do, am I right? Then it's a you can say engine come in a picture.
Engine. Okay.
So what is the main role of engine? Engine will means give a power, or you can say to run. Let's say your train, okay, or your car engine. What it will do?
Yeah. It will give the power to the car to accelerate and move.
Yes. So same thing with this. Right now we have things are set up. Now we need to move forward. Am I right?
Okay.
So for that, we can. This is a we are creating this, and whatever we done earlier, we are keeping this in a one place,
Okay.
so that
Oh,
it will get a sync, and so that means whatever already things are there is synced and work together for to achieve a particular goal. So here, what we are doing means agent snapshot. It have a state, like what is the state where we are in that particular task, am I right? And what available in this memory, like engine have a different parts, am I right? So same
yeah.
thing we are saying, hey, uh, this is a means initial part of our engine. Okay.
Mhm.
So
State. Okay.
so this is a you can say render, this is a log, and this is a reducer. Reducer is a you can say here we are these are initial states only. Okay, and last are none. Okay, and this is a you can say execution basically. Makes sense. So initially when you start your car, am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Then your engine should be in a relax mode with a default thing.
Hmm.
Makes sense.
Neutral. Hmm.
Yes, neutral. So same thing here with our this render one. Okay, but when you give us some apply some gear,
Correct.
so things are started means, and when you put a accelerator or brake, you
Hmm.
are it will impacting your engine. Am I right?
Hmm.
So same thing with the reducer means you are now interacting and trying me start giving the instruction to the your this agent, or agent start a progress there or start a execution.
Okay. Okay. Why we give the name reducer? I mean, what is sense of reducer name?
Reducer means why when we will move ahead, things are
Okay.
reducing. Earlier
Acha.
you have a 10 step, now
Oh.
you have a 5 step.
Hmm.
In a React as well we use a reducer.
Okay.
Right. And a list as well, I think so in a list we use this term reducer.
Hmm. Hmm.
Am I right or wrong?
Yes. Yes.
So now you are able to correlate this thing or not?
Yes. Steps will be reducing. Yeah.
Okay, so
Hmm.
here we will this is a purely switch because here if you check this, I
Hmm.
will create a that class. Okay, parent child class or parent class,
Hmm.
so that we can here in our user everything is just you can say agent event, everything. It's
Okay.
a reset, it's a failure, everything is a agent event. Am I right for that? That's why we will keep everything like this event, this a child implementation class of this abstract class, so that
Hmm.
we can reducer is we can handle everything there. Makes sense. That's why we will abstract that class
Okay.
because I am assuming you know this very well. What is OOPS programming and stuff?
Yeah. Yeah.
If no, I can explain. That's not an issue.
Yeah. Wherever I will be like confusion, I will just ask. Yeah.
Okay, so now based on this, it will do the thing. Okay, like we will start, then you can say in a memory we will assign a goal. Okay, what is the goal?
Mhm.
And in this you can say store, we are changing the value based on our you can say event. Are you able to see?
Yes.
Now based on a thing we are updating, and let's check this. Okay.
Okay.
So if you can say if it's failed, what happened? Because this is a
Mm-hmm.
thing which we need to understand carefully.
Retries. Okay.
Okay. So here this agent is a you can say failed. Then
Mm.
what we will do in a memory, we will capture that.
Error. Okay.
Store memory, we will mention that what is the error.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And memory retries contains key fail.index. Okay, so if we can say retry is our map. Okay, it's
Okay.
contain two values. Both are of string type.
Mm-hmm.
So based on our index, we can say we will get a key because key is also index.
Okay.
Contains key means we are saying, hey, in a this retry, this index, this particular key is there or not.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
if it's not there, then start from we will set the you can say 0.
Mm.
Let's say you will pass one, let's say 10. Makes sense.
Hmm.
In that retry, that time 10 is not there.
Okay.
Then what happened?
Okay. Read. Yeah. Means there is no failure. So it we will set to 0.
Yes,
Uh, huh.
yes, it will add that key if that
Huh.
key is not there and set a default value 0.
0. Okay. Okay. ठीक है. Hmm.
Makes sense.
Hmm.
And after that, what it will do? It will increment that particular key and their value. You can see.
Okay. Uh, I'm confused. Okay.
Hold on, hold on. Let's say you have a one dictionary, okay, and
Mm-hmm.
in that dictionary you have a let's say one. This is a first you can say item in this dictionary. Second item is two. Makes sense.
Hmm.
So let me explain this in a different manner. Hold on. So. mm, let me do one thing. So, so let's say this uh, do dictionary, or you can say demo.java. So public void main, uh, public demo, then here public void main, main, uh, hmm, dot length and we can say Java. No worries, Vaibhav. I will need to do some practice and recall the things. Then I can help me to do the example in your .NET only. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
But right now I'm not much. I'm out of practice there. That's why I am doing this Java thing. Okay. To
Okay.
to explain the concept to you. What is
Hmm.
the purpose of that thing? So here, let's say you have some, you can say this public static string, public static void main string. Even I am out of practice for Java itself. Public, public static. Okay, it should be static. Should be there. Public static. Void. So here we can say let's create a one map. You can say this map number. Mm, so map number. So, and, so, map. Okay. So let's say this is a map, and inside map you have this some items. Okay, let's say this. Uh, mm, let's say here is a, you can say, one object called one. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and another is, you can say, this two. Okay, so what it will do, it will check. You will pass a key one. Makes sense. If you
Mm-hmm.
pass a key in a map, you will get a one only.
One on.
Makes sense. So
Yes.
if you will pass this key two, makes sense. Then
Hmm.
it will say, hey, I mean, you will get this two. Makes sense.
Yes.
If it's not there, what we are doing here, if it's not there, we are setting the, you can say this, uh, zero value. Means key should be zero there.
Huh.
Makes sense. On this particular key, whatever number you passed, it will become a key there, and we are assigning a default value zero there.
Zero there. Okay.
Okay.
So in our example, if we pass three, suppose,
Yes.
which is not there, then key will be zero.
No, key will be three.
Three. Okay. And value corresponding to it will be zero. Okay.
Initial value.
Initial value. Huh.
Because that time key not exist. That time we
Hmm.
created a key, as
Hmm.
well as we have set a default value.
Hmm.
Make
Got it.
sense?
Yes. Now got
So,
it.
some no, now when you come again, when this thing occur again, that time key will exist.
Huh.
It will not set this zero.
Hmm.
It will go here and increment that value.
One. Okay.
Make sense?
Yes.
So here it will say, hey, this is a, you can say, index. What is the key there basically? Makes sense.
Hmm.
And based on a key, what is the, you can say, retries there? One time, two time, three times. Because it's a failed, so every time it go for retry.
Hmm.
Make sense or not?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
How we are tracking a failed thing?
Fail. Yes. Increment. We are doing the increment. Oh, yes. Now picture is, yeah,
Clear?
clear. Yeah.
If you have any question or concern, theoretically wise, practically wise, please ask. Okay. Otherwise, what happened? Because these things are base. If base is not ready, how we can make a building? We cannot make a building, am I right?
Hmm.
Same thing with these concept or your practical thing. Okay. Now, what happened earlier means in the next step, we will at the place of this inbuilt memory, we will use the real memory.
Okay.
Make sense or not?
Mm-hmm.
Let's say, give me your IT industry example or your software development in example. We have
Hmm.
a data, am I right?
Hmm.
Either it's coming from your file, it's coming from your database, it's coming from your SQLite, wherever, but it's a data.
Hmm.
It's coming from your variable only.
Hmm.
So right now we are doing with the inbuilt memory only, but
Hmm.
later on we will change the source.
Okay.
Makes sense. Steps are same.
Okay.
Makes
Steps are
sense.
same. Yes.
Makes sense.
Yes. Correct.
So so that's why I'm saying you need to focus on a concept
Hmm.
and keep this thing in mind because everything is available with you. No worries. Okay.
Hmm.
So here we can say we will in a store we will say state is completed. Makes sense.
Hmm.
And we will in a log as well we're printing this and break. Okay.
Hmm.
So here if it's failed, okay,
Fail. Okay.
failed. There is a
Uh,
you can say step failed and another one is a failed.
oh. Okay.
So here this is a class subclass is step failed and here is a class called failed event.
What is difference between these two?
So if you check this these two here in this, it will contain only error.
Uh,
It will contain index and error.
hmm.
Make sense or not?
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So basically, step failed we are using for a I can say recovery thing. Is how many times we need to retry. Okay.
Hmm.
And failed event in a reducer, what we are doing, let's analyze the things and there we will see mean what we are doing. Okay.
Hmm.
Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So here this okay paired event. Okay. If let's say your this means parameter EV is a this then we are this object this is a means child class of this and it's a failed one. Okay. Then what we will do is a type is failed, then we will initialize our object from failed event. Makes sense.
Hmm.
And after that we will say hey status is failed.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
And last error we are capturing but here we are not retrying.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Don't worry about don't go deep into this because we are doing this. This is a first chapter and we need to go means ahead and learn lot of things. like
Sure. Okay.
workflows and things. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
be relaxed.
Hmm.
Just grab the things which you are doing, not to go deep into that because
Okay.
we need to cover a lot of things. Okay,
Yeah.
and reset in a reset we are saying means idle because it start from zero. If everything is reset is idle state. Okay,
Hmm.
and memory is a initialized memory. We are
Hmm.
not we are refreshing our memory. Reset means starting. Okay,
Hmm.
and we are clearing our logs as well.
Okay.
Make sense?
Reset. Yeah.
So now we have a memory, we have a state,
Store.
we have a store, we
Event.
have a events. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Engine.
yes, now we have a discuss engine. Now let's do a means. Now we have a thing. Now how your mind will work to do those things. Makes sense.
Hmm.
So because this is a you can say whatever we did till now, it's a kind of pseudocode.
Hmm.
Okay. But to pseudocode, we need to execute or we need to make a runnable code. You know?
Hmm.
Right.
Hmm.
So for that, you have a planner. So in a planner, we have these two subpart to complete as means complete a goal. We have this search course or email. Am I right? So this is a planner, and in a planner, it will return two things. If you call this method, it will return two things,
Mhm.
and it will accept this goal as well. Am I right?
Yes.
So here in our you can say this you can say tools. So let's check this tools because otherwise. Okay, this is a tool. We will see that we have this search core and email one. Am I right?
Hmm.
So these are tool registry which we did, and based on that, now we need to go for a means logic how things are progress and how things are work. Makes sense.
Mhm.
So for that we require definitely require some tools. So tools in our virtual world it's a function.
Acha. Okay.
Makes sense.
Mhm.
So here, based on you can say your step, it will performing their action.
Okay.
Okay.
This is task. Hmm. Execute step.
So,
Okay. Yeah.
yeah. So here you can see we are saying first start from your this search
Search course. Yeah.
means query. So here whatever query will pass based on that it will search. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And after that it will go to you can go there and go to a next step if let's say because this is the only task which will uh, means based on your steps or things it will you can say perform a action. Makes sense.
Hmm. Hmm.
Whatever we define in a tool.
Hmm.
Makes sense.
Yes.
If means step is not this then it will throw this uh, error.
Got it.
Make sense? Any
Yes.
question or concern?
No. No. This is mean. Yeah.
So now we need to uh, press on a means start button so that everything is start executing.
Okay.
Okay, so Vaibhav, before going ahead, what you
Hmm.
understand? Could you summarize the things or step by step? What do you understand from this?
Uh, okay. So, uh, I'm understanding. I mean, we have created steps, we have created events. So we have maintained an inherited relationship of a child class and a parent class there, or in event class. And main thing is our engine. In engine, matlab, how engine will give the power, right? How first start, then like we are maintaining the failure steps, retries counts. There is separate fail class also. So how much number of like retries will be there, we are maintaining the it in the list. This is the main thing. And our main aim here is like we are searching for a particular course, and if that is there, then we will send an email there. And in case of failure, how it will be handled. So in main, we are like starting there, like searching for a agentic AI course. So it should return me the cost and all of that particular thing. So this is like it. I understand more than this, but at this granular level, these are the things.
Yes. So high level thing means we will decide a goal,
Yeah,
whatever we need to achieve, and after that we will plan that goal or divide into a small part, which will can say task or steps which we
steps.
need to
Yeah,
follow.
exactly.
Okay, and for that definitely means if we will just make a steps or things which is not sufficient, you require some tools
Tools.
to
Tools are just kind of functions here. Yeah,
yes, in a program we can say tools and memory also we require so that
dictionary.
means because
Records. Yeah.
yes, so everything should be so agent can validate what
Hmm.
is my goal means how I need to means what is my goal what is my planning and what we need to execute everything what is logs there so everything should be there agent am I right.
Yes. Yes.
So in this first we will create a store with the default value
Hmm.
am I right.
Where store? Okay.
And after that we will you can say dispatch means our engine.
Engine. Okay.
Here you can say this is a engine and engine has a dispatch where we will
Reducer we
say
use. Yeah.
yes this is a static method reducer is there you can say render and it will do the things for you and based on our things it will update the store.
Hmm.
Okay, so we
Yes.
will initiate that. Okay, and after that what is next what we do so okay. So here we will, you can say, do
Started.
this. Okay. And here we will say, we will pass the, our, you can say, start event. We will,
Hmm.
here we will start the start event while
Hmm.
calling this dispatcher. After that, we will go with the planner,
Hmm.
which will give us a plan. Makes sense. Which will give us a list of plans, list of steps.
Small steps. Yeah.
Yes. And after that, we will give those steps to our
It's.
plan creator event so that
Hmm.
it will create a event based on a step.
Hmm.
Makes sense. And
Hmm.
again, we are calling our this means engine
Hmm.
so that it can perform the task and based on a task it will take a decision. It's a failed or stuff like that. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
And the max retry is 2 because as you able to see it will check the index there. Am I
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
So it's a kind of configuration which we can set.
Hmm.
And after that, we are saying this store memory current step index. What is the current step index? Okay. So if it's a, you can say less than, so this then it's enter to while loop.
Hmm. Milestone.
This is a conditional means because based on this max retry, we want after that it will not
It
retry.
should not go into loop. Yeah.
Okay, so that's why we are checking here, and based on this, we are checking our failure last logging and things. We are doing that. Okay, so this is your execute step,
Hmm.
and if you can say step failed event, which we saw there, if it's a
Hmm.
success, that's fine. Otherwise, we will go for retry.
Okay.
Make sense?
Hmm.
And here we can say this is a step failure event and this is a failure event. Now you can clearly understand what is the difference between the
Error. It will only show error. Yeah.
means we have done with the retry.
Retry. Hmm. Okay.
Makes sense.
Hmm.
Means whatever capability we will provide to the agent is try
Agent.
everything, but
Now it is
fail.
failed. Huh. Yeah.
Makes sense. So this is
Okay.
a boundary there. Okay.
Okay.
So after that we will can say done event.
Okay.
Okay. If everything goes fine, then we will say done. Otherwise, it's returning from here only.
Hmm.
Make sense?
Next try. Okay. Yeah.
And let's run this. Mo- dot net dot module one. Okay. So here you are able to see means each and every step we are logging. So here you are able to see this is a first goal when we will done the start. Makes sense.
Okay.
And this thing and indexes you are also able to see the this step. What is the index of that step? Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
And right now here means whatever steps or events we mentioned, based on that you are able to see.
Go. Okay. So first step is done. Then okay. Step executing. Step one of two. Okay.
So two of two.
So it has retry here in the third step, like in the step two. Retry count, no, right?
No, none. Result
Hmm.
is one.
Result
Yeah.
is okay.
If error occur, then it will go for retry.
Okay. Mm.
Make sense?
Can you explain this output? This one. Uh,
So here, when we run this, okay.
mm-hmm.
So first we will pass this, right?
Mm.
Pass this. First you can see this is a dispatch.
Mm.
So here, if you check this, just a minute. If you check this, so here we are dispatching. Okay. And what
Okay.
is the event? It's a start event.
Mm.
So it will get a chance to execute. Okay. So it successfully execute. That's why you are able to see that output. You can see, let me show you. Let me show you from where this output is coming. From here, this is coming. Okay.
Okay. Start. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So from here it's coming. So here if check this. Okay. So mm, okay. So what we are doing here. So based on this dispatcher, what we're doing, it's returning a store after updating the things. It's returning a store to us.
Dictionary. Okay. Store.
Okay, and here after you can say doing the action on our user. Every step we are printing that. Render is nothing, it's a printing thing.
Hmm.
That's why you are able to see this output.
Okay. Okay.
Make sense?
Hmm.
Now it's coming from here only based on your step.
Okay. Render. Hmm.
Now things are clear, or still you
Hmm.
have a question?
All no. These are steps. First planning, executing, executing. Yeah. Last is done. Yeah.
Okay,
So if we want to see failure case here,
no worries. We
yeah.
will we will need to dig deep into this. No worries.
Okay.
Okay, so for failure case, we need to give something wrong output. Okay, like here we will check in on this node there. We can do that. No worries. Okay.
Oh, okay. Sure. Yeah.
Could we go to a theory part?
Yes. Yeah.
Now I want you will try to cover the theory part. Okay.
Yeah.
And still you are not able to do, then I will explain. Is this
Okay.
work
Fine.
for you?
It is fine. Yes.
Okay. If that's fine with you, let's check our, you can say, Agentic, I think. Include, okay, the training material, and you can say, so now means it's your turn. Just I am just changing the PPT, but you need to explain, okay? What you understand? What's your understanding there? Vaibhav,
Yeah. I'm here.
just check and go through that so that audience can also means understand. We were putting this on a YouTube, am I right?
Okay. This time it is fine. Maybe from next class we can do that. Is it okay?
No worries, that's
Yeah.
fine. But
Yeah.
right now, if you have any means here, as we sign up people in our code, am I right?
Hmm.
So means things are start from goal. What we need to complete,
Hmm.
or what we need to do,
Yes.
or what is the why which repetitive task is going to do that, and what is the end, what is the
Hmm.
goal of that task. Am I right?
Yeah.
For that means we have a plan multiple steps execution, which we sign this. Am I right?
Hmm.
And use tools which we are doing in our practical thing. We are using some tools like send email and search.
Search course. Yeah.
Yes. And after that, we are taking action while we are executing. Am I
Yes.
right?
Hmm.
And based on our failure things, we are retrying the thing.
Hmm.
Now you are able to correlate the things.
Yes. Yes.
So this is LLM. LLM means it's a verb for your this. It will give
Yes,
you
sir.
answer. Okay, it will give you answer based on your question, but it will not complete your task.
Hmm.
But in a real scenario, we require it need to be complete. We require complete automation
Hmm.
and a multi-step workflow required. So means it should be not come in a one, you can say one input, one process and output. No, it should be a multiple steps are there.
Hmm.
Okay, multiple steps workflows are there required. Autonomous decision system. So in a failure, what he need to do, it will take a decision.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is difference between both? So as LLM, input and output. So no execution capability. It cannot execute the thing.
Okay.
Complete. Makes sense. And goal, plan, act, observe. But agent have a goal. It can plan, means
Steps.
plan. It will plan, act, and based on a act,
Wait.
whatever response is
Hmm.
there, it will observe and do the thing.
Right.
And include tools, memory plus loop. Include is to include tools like we saw what are the tools, and
Yeah.
am I
To,
right?
yeah.
And memory and loop. Loop means
While do.
we will put in a while loop.
While do. Yeah. Track.
Am I right?
Yeah.
So now any question or concern till now?
No. No.
So this is a diagram means for flow diagram, user input, LLM, test output. Okay.
Yeah.
And then agent, goal, planner, tools, memory, action.
Actually. Hmm. We see all these.
Okay. More component of core component of agent, uh, LML, means this is a brain, which because it will respond. Makes sense. Based on an
Hmm.
input, it will respond. So here, when we will create any agent, we will use some this LLM. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Then we will do a planner tools. It should be our API or things like to send a mail. We require a integration with the mail API.
Oh, okay.
Either it should be written by us or third party, whatever.
Okay. Okay.
Those are called tools.
Right. SMTP APIs. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Memory is your where means instructions are fed for your agent.
Right. Right.
Okay. Executor means engine which will
Engine.
execute.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
And control loop means when it need to be retry, when it need to be not
Right.
retry. This is a loop. Means it will means repeat the things based on a you can say condition.
So this is applicable for all the kind of agents, right? Even advanced agents also. The base is same.
Definitely basic thing.
Same. Okay.
If you are able to means if you write a small program or a small product project or if you are going to develop a small product, large product, things are same.
Things are same. Hmm.
Am I right?
Yes. So these needs to be remembered. Planner, tools. This is the main concepts. Yeah.
These are the core things. That's why
Hmm.
it's calling core component of it.
Okay.
So lab one, this is a you can say let's say you want to plan a Dubai trip, then this is ask first you will ask book flight. Am I right?
Hmm.
And what are the observation and limitation? Identifying missing component. Okay, so this is a thing which will agent can do. But here you can ask from element you can ask only. But LML cannot observe the limitation and identifying missing component.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Define a goal. This is second. First, we will discuss what is difference between this and now this in a second lab manual agent simulation. So what we will do in a simulation, ask ML to create a plan. Okay. So because mind will respond whatever we are giving a instruction. Am I right? Based on that, it will give us a plan. Am I right?
Yes.
So and execute step by step. So agent will, with the help of mind, it will do execute step by step.
Hmm.
Makes sense. And we will say now, first we will say plan, then it's planned the things, and then we can say, hey, now you need to execute this step.
Hmm.
Based on output, we need to go ahead with the next step, so on and so forth.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Review and redefine. Make sense?
Yes. Yeah.
So tool calling simulation. So how tool will work? You can say this. So here tool will, let's say this city one. I'm right.
Hmm.
Prompt for JSON output. Okay. Test with the city name. As you see, we are passing a parameter,
Hmm.
and based on a passed parameter, it is working. Or you can say based on a type, it's a start event or it's another event. Based on that, it is working in our code as well. Am I right?
Hmm.
So architecture design, define goal, planner steps, tools required, failure handling, which we've done in our.
Okay.
Okay. So whatever you need to design, you need to take care of this.
Okay.
So single source of truth, status enum, where we have a possible status of our agent. Okay, what can means happened while performing a event or a step. So event driven loop, it will working on a events. Make sense?
Hmm.
Retry and failure handling. So why tool fails? What if tools fail? What if LMS is in it? So these things you need to we need to discuss and answer this. But if tools fail, what happens if tools fail?
Hmm.
Okay, so these are the
So,
key takeaways.
okay.
So let's say your API is failed, then your system is failed.
Hmm.
Make sense?
Exactly. Yeah. Get whether. Yeah.
So if your LML visually net means it's not giving the right
Right.
thing, and so it's
List.
also fail.
Hmm.
Where do we log? Where do we log when we will get some? We
Failure.
want to do some error handling or information. Then you based on a type you can keep the log. Am I right? And how you can guardrails. Guardrails is how you will set a boundary means where you need to keep a eye on things. Makes sense.
Hmm.
So these are the things. These are the you can say agent, LML, LLM, and tools, memory loop. Okay. Architecture overview, over model, failure handling is critical. Agent act, not just answer. Am I right?
Hmm.
So any question or concern till now or for this class?
Okay. So all these things we will cover step by step in code. Yeah. Right.
Yes, we done everything step by step.
Yeah. Okay.